Hi guys, welcome sa ating Java Swing tutorial series. So ngayon ang pag-usapan natin ay ang pop-up, Java pop-up. So ang gamit natin sa Swing dito ay ang G option pane. So merong dito sa ating example na ito, magbibigay ako ng example ng magagawa sa G option pane. Una ay makagawa siya ng input pop-up, confirm pop-up, and message pop-up. So dito magsisimula muna tayo sa ating input pop-up. So dito G option pane, ito yung napabilang sa package ng Swing. Okay. So dito magbibigay ako ng example. So pag declare ng input pop-up, okay, string, then pangalawa yung name of the variable, type of a variable, then equal G option pane show input dialog. So kung gagamit kayo ng input pop-up, so gamitin ninyo itong input itong method na ito, show input dialog. Then wala man tayong ginagamit na container, so tulad ng JFrame or JDialog, so wala tayong component dito. So dito message, okay, then dito yung value niya ay ito. So nagpa-parse na tayo ng from string type, then i-parse natin sa integer para magiging instance variable siya dito. Okay, so int, so num1 from string ginawa nating integer, then equal integer, then ito number 2. So ito yung tulad ng kanina, ito yung method ng input pop-up, then enter second number, then ito yung pag-convert ng second number from string to integer. So dito next is line by line, next line, pagkatapos ng isang pop-up na input pop-up, then pag okay, lalabas itong pop-up na ito, enter second number, then pagkatapos ay gagawa siya ng sum, then ito yung lalabas. Okay, result, then G option pane information message yung nilagay natin, kasi hindi naman isang error na message, kundi information message, o hindi warning, okay, or information message or plain message dito. Okay, try natin para takbuhin, run, then ito na yung label dito, enter first number. For example, if we enter integer, di ba? If we enter string here, magkakaproblema sa next line kasi first to integer. So dito ay ilagay natin yung integer. For example, 50, then this is selected button, okay, kasi highlighted siya, then cancel button, then press enter, then enter second number. For example, 25, the sum is 75, then enter, then 75. So let's add result 75. So dito lagyan natin ng result. Okay, result string, then plus, then let's add result or sum, Then let's try to run this class. Then ito na. For example, if we add 50, then enter plus 100. So the total is 150. Then press enter. The problem is that is concatenation. Okay. First we enter 50, then second is 100. So that is wrong. Okay. So this is wrong because they detect string here. Then the second operator thinks that this is also a string, then this is the string. Okay, so ang ating gagawin dyan ay gagawa tayo ng isang parenthesis para ma-equation niya yung value dito. For example, this is number 1, num1 plus num2 equals, that is the sum. Then let's try again. Run. For example, 50 enter plus 75, that is 125. Enter, that is sum is 125. So we are done in input pop-up. Then let's proceed to the message and confirm pop-up. Then here, okay, so let's check the action event. For example, if we enter here empty, so it detects, okay, for example, if we do not put input here in the text fields, so if we click enter, then the error must be the fields are empty. Then what if, okay, the first name, we put name here but the surname is empty, then the what we call no confirm pop-up, no, not confirm, message pop-up will tells us that surname is empty. Then we put surname, then okay, let's see what is the okay condition here. So first is text field first name, then equals, that is empty string, then equals true, then if it is true, then and then the surname equals true. If they are both empty, then the first and surname are empty. Okay, then let's proceed if they are not empty here and not empty, but the, for example, if the first name is empty, then the first name is empty, but if the surname is empty, then surname is empty. Then here is the first name and are not empty, then the text field surname is not empty, then there will be a confirm dialog. Okay, here the confirm dialog tells us okay, this is the method of confirm dialog, and this is the method of message dialog. This is the method of confirm dialog, then this is the parameter. This is this is JFrame. Then this class is or has JFrame components, then it would not be error here. Then next is, are you sure to add, the message is, are you sure to add this person? Then the title here is confirmation. Then here is the confirm dialog. If it is, there's a button OK and cancel option. So here, if we response the okay, then it returns to response. Okay, here let's press, okay, here. So if we click option 2 or okay, so 2, but if we click button cancel, then it returns to cancel. So here's the condition. If response equals G option pane, then yes option, then successfully added. If cancel, then the show message dialog show successfully cancel. So let's try to run this program. Run. Then for example, if we click enter, that first name and surname are empty, then for example, if we click this button, then first name and surname are empty, then okay, then let's put first name Aldrin, then enter, then surname is empty, then let's put, okay, for example, if we put Cabanlas, for example, surname, let's click enter, then are you sure to add this person? So successfully cancel. Okay, then for example, here is the flow. For example, if they are not empty here, then the option the confirm option will show, then click enter. Here, are you sure to add this person? If okay, then successfully added will show. Then let's try. If we click this okay, then successfully added. Okay, so I hope guys na itong video na ito ay makatutulong sa inyo. Ilalagay ko yung um, link sa project na ito upang ma-download nyo at saka ma-try ninyo sa inyong pag-practice sa Java programming. So in next video, hindi na tayo kukontinue ng Java Swing tutorial series. Proceed na tayo sa database para mas madali tayong makagawa ng application. So salamat guys, huwag niyong kalimutan pag-subscribe at salamat sa inyong panonood. Huwag kayong i-click niyo yung notification bell upang updated kayo sa aking araw-araw na video. So maraming salamat. See you next video. Bye bye.